Hi. The 20th thing you might want to know is logarithms. This is actually a very important one, in my opinion. The useful thing to know is ABC is a to the c power equals b. So this is how you can transfer from exponential form to logarithmic, whatever, however you would say it. So here's what I mean by that. Have you ever seen something like this? 7 to the x power equals 49. Well, maybe you know that's 2. But how could you really solve that if you didn't know what it was? Because you won't always. Well, that's when you use this. You call this A, you call this C, you call this B, and then you change it to ABC. So log 7, log base 7 of 49 equals what? And you could type that into the calculator two ways. Let me tell you the two ways you can type it. If you have a TI-84 or like a common graphing calculator, here's what you can do. First thing is you push y equals. Oh, wait, sorry, not y equals. Wrong thing. I get mixed up. You push math. So you push the button math, and then you scroll down until you see log base. Something that says that. Then you push enter, and it will let you do it. Now, here's what you do if you don't have that calculator. Instead, you just do you would do log of 49 divided by log of 7. That's the same thing. That's another useful thing to know. See, it's log base 7 of 49. It's the same thing as that, because whenever there's nothing there, there's really a base of 10. Okay, now what about this one here? Here's another rule to know. Whenever you have something beside the log, it becomes an exponent of the thing that it's taking a base of. So we can change this to this. So then that would really mean 9, right? Because 3 squared is 9. And then that would be 2 once we type that in. Now, there's another way that you could solve this actually, because if you have log of something, log base something, and this thing is the same as this, that's just 1, and then that 2 is there. So either way, you could solve it. Now, what about these? Whenever you're adding logs, you multiply these things that are called the arguments, the things that are not low, basically. So then that would be this. So the answer would be 3 here. Now, this one here, when you subtract them, you divide the arguments. So 519 divided by 173, in case you didn't know, is 3. You could obviously type that into the calculator. That's just one that sticks with me. And like I already said, whenever those things are the same, it's just 1. So that's logarithms.